There's two critical things you've got to figure out about every single deal that you're working, and you got to figure these out often. Now, about 80% of sales reps figure out the first one, but only 2% figure out the second, and the second is most important. Here's what I'm talking about. The first one, when do you need to make a decision? 80% of us are smart enough to ask that question. When do you guys need to make a decision? When would you like to purchase? The when. But here's what only 2% know. It's far more powerful to follow that up with what makes that date important. The when is just a point in time, but when you follow it up with what makes that date important, you're going to figure out a lot more about the deal, why they need it, and who's involved in making the decision. So make sure you're asking both of these questions. Hey, just out of curiosity, when do you guys need to make a decision? We need to make it by February 14th. Got it, February 14th. What makes that date important?